Hi everyone, welcome back. With the holidays right around the corner, Model 1 is kicking off their Black Friday sale starting now all the way to December 5th with great amazing sales over on Amazon. So I figured why not do a little bit of a Model 1's haul, and then we're going to create a really simple nail look that is perfect for cozy season. Now, the best part about this sale is that they also gave me a discount code so you can stack an additional 20%. So I will link that in the description box below. So we're kicking it off with a basic must-have item. This is the gel base and gel top coat, and I do really like this because the viscosity alone is on that thinner side, which makes it great for using it with your gel products, or if you're using a dip powder and doing the gel method, these work really great as well. And then we have a rubber base, which is great for building up structure or for encapsulating any glitters or gems. And then along with the rubber base, it also came with the traditional gel top coat. And I do really like this little bottle, so you can try the rubber base and the top coat if you want before you commit to that larger size bottle. And then if you're looking for a nail prep option for a dehydrator, the 3-in-1 function nail prep is a great alternative. It gives your nail, not only does it dehydrate the nail, but it also gives it a little bit of a sticky layer. So then it's going to get that product to really stick to that nail and adhere better. And I've been incorporating this with my press-on nail prep. So what I'll do is I'll apply this right on top of my natural nail, and then I'll apply a little bit right on the back of my press-on. And then once that's completely dry, just make sure it is completely dry, especially on that press-on. Then I'll go ahead and apply my press-on tips with my nail glue. I just feel like if you're dehydrating your nail right before your press-on set might last just a little bit longer. So this is a great product to just add. It's also great if you are using this before your gel polish application as well. So you can get multiple uses out of the 3-function nail prep, and I've been really enjoying this product. And then sticking with the press-ons, the soft gel tips from Model 1, these are in the shape of medium almond, and they come in 10 different sizes. But the best part about these ones is that they are pre-etched, which is absolutely fantastic. And there's not a lot of maintenance I need to do with these. They fit really nice in the nail bed. I will say the pinky does run a little bit bigger, but I just went in with a file just right by the cuticle line and just kind of brought that piece in just a little bit, and then I was good to go. But I really like the fact that these are pre-etched, and the almond shape is so perfect, and it is a true medium almond. And then we have this adorable meow lamp. This is so cute. There's going to be a cat theme that we're going to dive into here in just a moment. But if you are looking for an adorable little lamp just for flash curing, if you are not making press-ons and you are doing like a soft jelly tip application with the gel tip glue and you are looking for a flash cure lamp, this one might just be for you based on cuteness alone. So it does plug in with your USB cord, and then it has a sensor right here in that press on button. But overall, super cute. And if you are in need of a flash curing lamp that has a little bit of extra cuteness to it, the meow lamp might be for you. I think it's absolutely adorable, and it's just a very sleek design. And I like the USB when it comes to the flash cure lamp because I don't necessarily need to have it out all the time, but yet it's still sleek and compact for storage. I can just throw it in my drawer when I'm done with it. And if you want to take the cat cuteness to the next level, there is a cat UV LED nail lamp that has the most adorable packaging. We're talking about here, we have cat ears and cat paws all in one. So this is the 48-watt nail lamp. Look at those adorable little pink paws. It has an LED screen. This one has the 3 timers on it, and then it has a gooseneck so you can adjust the lamp in the ears. But how cute is this? There's just something about the white and the pink. We have these cute little ears, and then the paws are absolutely everything. But I do like how it is adjustable. And then when you go ahead and plug it in, you have the 3 timers as well. But overall, super cute. And then I'm going to flip it around here so you can just see the LED lights. This light would also be a great alternative for a flash curing lamp style because of that adjustable head. And then I am going to use it in the press-on set that we're going to be making today. And I have used it already now for over a week, and I have not ran into any issues with any curing or anything like that. It's just super adorable, and I love looking at it on my nail desk. And then we are going to dive into some gel polishes for Model 1. I have 2 32-piece sets. These are really fun. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because we are going to dive into the fall one today to create our nail look. But this is a great way just to try some new polishes, especially for the holiday season, just to get some of those really good rustic holiday colors. Or if you're looking to just build up your colors, this is a great way because this kit has everything you need. It also has the gel base, the gel top coat. It has a matte top coat. It's a mixture of solids. We have some jellies. We have some cat eyes mixed in here and some glitters. So if you're looking to build up your gel polish collection or looking just for some holiday colors but don't want to commit to those oversized big bottles, this might be a great option for you because the bottles are little and then you have some really fun rustic holiday colors. We're going to focus on something Thanksgiving colors today for our nail look, but if you're looking to step up your game this holiday season with some Christmas colors, these kits are really fun to have. And this glitter right here is just screaming my name, fall. And then we have a beautiful orange jelly right here, but we're going to dive into this entire kit in just a little bit so you can see some of these colors in action. And then we have two different brush kits I'm going to show you, and then we're going to get into our nail look, so just hang tight. So the first brush set, this is a great one because you get all these brushes. So this one's going to be good for any cleanup that you're doing, a French tip. If you're looking to build up that apex, there is a flat brush on here. There's also a dotting tool on two of the brushes, which I really like how fine the dotting tool is on here. You can get some really good precise nail art. And then there is a small liner brush as well for some fine details. But overall, a great starter kit if you're looking for some brushes, especially for that flat brush in the French line. I feel like this is a great price point for this. I think it's under $7, and then you can stack on that discount as well. But if you're looking for some detailed long liner brushes, this one right here, this is absolutely everything. I was so surprised on the quality of this brush right here. First of all, they feel really nice in the hand. They're a little bit on the heavier side, and the caps on these brushes fit nicely and they're really snug on this brush. Sometimes when you're playing with a dual-ended sided brush, the caps just fly everywhere and they do not stay on. These caps actually stay right on that brush, which is absolutely fantastic. And the best part about these brushes is that you get from 7 millimeters all the way to 20. So these brushes are absolutely awesome. So if you're looking for a dual-ended nail art brush, this might be one to add to your collection. So that was all our goodies for our affordable nail finds from Amazon from Model Ones. So now we're going to test some of these products and get into a really fun, cozy, kind of velvet matte nail look that is perfect for Thanksgiving. So you're going to see some of these gel polishes in action. And then we're also going to do a little bit of a plaid nail art design by incorporating those liner brushes that you saw that were absolutely beautiful. But that's going to be it for the nail look today. We're just going to dive into a simple velvet nail look, but yet still add a touch of cozy fall to it. And then the Model One's Black Friday sale runs currently from now all the way to December 5th. And if you are looking to take advantage of that extra 20% off, when you are going through Amazon and you hit like checkout, if you scroll down, you can see like where you put your credit card information. After that, it should be like enter Amazon gift card or promo code. In that little box right there where it says Amazon gift card or promo code, that is where you're going to enter that Amazon promo code to get that discount. So just that's how you utilize that extra 20% off, just in case you have questions. I know it's kind of hard to figure out where to enter a promo code sometimes over on Amazon, but I hope that definitely helps you out there. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's get into these products and kind of see what we create today. I don't really have a vision besides I know I want to pull in some rustic colors and maybe do a little bit of plaid, but that is the vision today. So let's get into this nail look, and then I'll see you all in the next one.